Hashtag Ooga Booga. Welcome to Cooking with Ella and Gabby.
Yeah.
Bitch, did you put in 2 fucking noodles?
1 each.
Girl, Anyway, guys, have a look at my new Frank Green that I got today, that I bought with my own money. Hashtag Ooga Booga. You put milk in your...
After.
Right, okay.
Best way to eat buldak carbonara ramen. You boil the noodles, obviously. Now, I personally like them a little bit soggy, but sure. You like them? You don't like them soggy?
Just past soggy.
Okay, that's perfect. People who eat them al dente deserve al death. Anyway, so you cook them.
Please hang up and try again.
You need to drain the water. Gone.
I leave a little bit of water in there so that I can mix it up with the milk.
Well, this is where the milk comes in because it makes it nice and creamy.
I don't trust the milk that we have in this house. As a dairy farmer's granddaughter, I do not endorse this conversation.
You then add buldak powder as evidence. We are white, very white. Put a drop so that I don't feel disgusting and shameful.
Half of it. Just so I can blow up my fucking nostrils and then I don't feel anything.
That's fair. And then you're like, oh, this is so delicious and creamy. Let me add cheese. So yeah, that's what you do.
Coming before. Frank Greens suck ass, bro. I can't even put all the ice in here. Frank Green, you suck. Put my fucking ice in my water. I'm an ice water bitch.
Get our new ice trays.
Oh my god, the ice trays. Alright guys, I'm giving Frank Green a second chance. Frank Green, you have no chances after that. Why so loud? Frank Green, okay, my first gripe with you, what is up with this metal fucking straw? All you're doing is sticking to the water. My second gripe with you is, why are you so feminine dominant? I want men to have Frank Greens as well. Just kidding, I don't want men to have anything. Also, why is it so wiggly? See, that's stupid. That's all. Alright, guys, tell me honestly, do I scratch all the paint off this? Oh my god, Frank Green, my ex has jaundice error. Pose for the thumbnail. Ooh. Pose for the fans.
That's not ba-ba-na, the ba-na-na-na. Blue as in, because I have blue eyes. And so this is...
Blue.
Gabby is guilty confirmed. This is me, but minion. Do you know what I mean?
No. This is what I was given to offer. Why is it so damn heavy, bitch? My water bottle would never. Let's get some ASMR.
Oh, that's good, hey.
It's warm on my fingers.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm singeing my arm hairs right now.
Ella's ready to tell us a story, guys.
So we were at Riverlands, right? Bar in Brisbane. And, oh, that's all mine, I guess. Sure.
Okay, Fanny.
We're at Riverlands and we're just like having a good time or whatever. And then the entertainment starts and it's this woman spinning like fire sticks around. And like, no one's really watching. Like, not a single person's watching except for
I'm too
us.
busy drinking my damn Long Island iced tea. I'm not worried about what this bitch is doing with her fucking ice. Not ice. Fire rings.
Well, I'm sitting around being like, where's my next porn star martini? Excuse me, where? Oh my god, she's on.
Let me just offer you a quick. Okay, this is on fire right now. This is my arm.
And fire. And she's on fire.
My arm is on fire. There's an easier way to wax yourself.
Shaving sucks. Like shaving, like I'm not into the idea of shaving and waxing regularly, but I'm less into the idea of burning my arm hairs off.
If you're going to force me to confine to feminine gender roles and make me do things that make me look like a 10-year-old, at least make it do it so that it's like accessible. Because personally, I don't have proper access to like a fucking flamethrower.
If I would, I could.
I don't want to. If it was up to me, I'd be a man.
My hairs because no, that's fine, Gabby. Just open the fridge and move the camera. There we go.
Personally,
Gabby, what happened?
There's water on the floor.
Sorry, you guys had to see that. She's lost the lid. She's lost the plot, and she's lost her fucking footing. Oh, do you want carbonara or not? Floor's also really oily and dusty. It's not of anyone's fault except our own, but the dirt and the...
I do. I clean regularly. It's just too hard to keep on top of.
I have something to confess. Every now and then I get a burst of energy to cook, and every time I do, I spill shit everywhere. So the slipperiness on the floor is actually just once a week me cooking some sort of pasta dish and spilling all the oil on the floor.
And I cleaned it up. Right, okay, I'm not the one with a fucking 9 to 5. I am able to clean up. I'm just that fucking lazy, guys. I'm a baby.
You've got one drop.
I'm literally a baby. Look at this fucking pan, guys. I haven't cleaned this pan, but I'm adding seasoning to the pan. That's what I've taken on that as my philosophy.
Like pans like this, you're meant to oil them to like keep the non-stick intact.
This is a non-stick pan from Kmart.
So you're actually doing a good job.
I'm doing more than Kmart ever did. All right, guys. My Frank Green is officially seasoned. Let's have a sippy, shall we? Okay, I like the wideness of the spout. I'm really liking how, like, fatty she is. I'm liking the amount that I'm, like... Have you lost the fucking cap to the milk lid? Nothing makes me happier than when I'm, like, watching myself film something and I'm thinking, like, how I'm going to edit it. Like, before I was just standing here, like, smiling at the camera and you're, like, off doing something in the background and I'm like... I know I'm going to zoom in on that. And I'm just going to make that like the focus. And it's just going to be like a slow zoom in. Have you seriously fucking lost the cap to the milk?